to my channel. Today we have the Pur Festival 2 palette. This palette came in my BoxyCharm for the month of July, and this is going to be a first impressions video. I'm going to try to put as many of these eyeshadows on my eyeballs as possible and see what we come up with. But first of all, I'm going to swatch these and be right back. Alright, so these are the colors swatched. Now if you did watch my unboxing video, you know I felt weird about this palette because of this color up here, and you can see it's still kind of grainy. But I'm going to give it a try and we'll see what happens. Okay, so I think first off, I'm going to want to start off with some brown shades. I think I want to go in with this one right here. Okay, so that was way creamier than I expected. Blend that out a little bit. Okay, so I think now I'm going to go in with this color right here. This is Insta-worthy. Now I'm going to go in with this one right here. This is a brown. This is On Set. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Dreamland. I'm going to go in with Turn It Up. Okay, so now I'm going to use this color called Fantasy World, this purple color right here. Okay, so I'm going to go back into that crease area with this color right here, Vibes. Okay, so I think I'm going to go into this color Euphoria now. I do want my lid shinier, so I am going to go over it with Pure Bliss. Alright, so now I'm going to attempt to use this VIP color, the one that I felt really funny about, in the creases because I think that's a good placement for it. Now we're going to work under the eyes, and I'm going to use Utopia. Okay, last color in the palette is Electric, and that is also going under the eyes. Okay, so now we are going to line the eyes, and I'm going underneath with Marc Jacobs right here. I believe this is in shade Grapevine. Alright, now we are lining the top of the eye with this color right here. This is, what color is this? This is, well, it's black. Whatever it is, it's black. And you know, this brand. Marc Jacobs. Okay, so for lips, I am using Beauty Bakery Bubble Gum Crisis. And I am going to add a gloss. This is Rude Cosmetics So Fine. Alright, there's my finished look. Alright, so let's go ahead and talk about the palette. So everything, of course, swatched very beautifully, and everyone knows that I had feelings about this shade right here. Well, after applying everything, I can say, oh, I didn't blend right here. Okay, that's better. Anyways, so after applying everything, I think it blended very well. I think that it applied very well, and I have to say that formula, although I was questionable about it, it looks gorgeous on the eyelid. It really gives it a nice sheen, metallic wet look, and I really do like that. The color story itself, I love this color story, but I have like tons of palettes with similar color stories, so it's kind of a given that I'm gonna love this one. There was a little bit of fallout with some of the matte shades here. There are 5 matte shades, and there was a little kick up with the foils, but I mean, other than that, the formula itself feels great. And that is it. I did get all 12 eyeshadows on my eyes, so that was achieved. But other than that, that is it. Let me know your thoughts on this palette. If you like this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like more content like this, don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.